So this is my right hip, and you can see how large it is right here compared to, this is my left. This has been replaced. This is my right. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I walk first with 2 canes, then with 1 cane, and then with no cane. So just hold that thought.
Okay.
Okay, this is with 2 canes.
Here today, so come on in.
Wait. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate with 1. You notice how my back is curved? Now I'm going to demonstrate with no canes. I'll just put them like here, they're on my side. Now I'm going to try to really stride out.